You swimming in the money, right?
Yes, that's me.
And you did that deliver. I mean, you posted that on Facebook.
I always post the money because, you know, I'm a very rich man. As you see, I'm wearing Jimmy shoes. How much is costing? You know it yourself.
Is that Jimmy shoe?
Yeah, this Jimmy shoe. $10,000. And you know, the same Rolex you are wearing it. The same Rolex I'm wearing with the diamond, which is $100,000.
So you're a wealthy man in your own way.
My own way, yeah.
And you've made your own money.
Yes, and I mentioned in the video that I got my wealth from my Lord Jesus Christ. I never say from alone or from whoever that people are accusing me I'm getting money from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you saw yourself in the documentary with the general implicated as his son, what did you think?
I always deny. I'm not his son. He's abusing. Even when you are calling me his son, you are abusing me. And I mentioned in different documentary, and I mentioned also in different interview. So I'm not a Malung son. I'm Malung your son. Okay? That's why I give you one example. Donald Trump Jr. Donald Trump Jr. is a son of Donald Trump Sr. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm Lual Malung Yor Jr. because I'm a son of Lual Malung Yor Sr. Yeah.
Before I let you go and continue with the general, you said you made your money through Jesus Christ?
Yeah, my Lord Jesus Christ blessed me. I fly with private jet. I live in presidential suite. Where I come from now, I'm paying $2,500 a night in Serena Hotel. That's where I live.
How did you make your money?
I say I'm blessed. Here is it. With my number, with my room number, Nairobi Serena. I sleep in presidential suite.
How did you make your money?
I'm blessed. I'm blessed.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
Well, you must be having lots of blessings, my friend.
Thank you.
All right, we'll let you go. This interview will continue another time. We haven't finished with you.
No problem.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for clearing the air, actually. What are you going to do to these people who made the documentary?
I don't have a problem with those guys who make documentary because I love the media. I'm the one who attract the media. Okay? I love the media. I want to be famous. I have my own ambition why I want to be famous. I cannot tell you why I want to be famous. Now I'm international and known worldwide. Okay, like the video that you saw, it was been played in CNN, Al Jazeera, and other international media. Okay?
And you think that's good?
Yes, it's good for me. I make it. Yeah.
So you want to be famous?
I already famous. That's why you met me. If I'm not famous, you could have not met me.
Okay. Well, Malong Jr.
Yeah.
Thank you.
General.